Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a video.
So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I will tell you how to make a custom room in Call of Duty Mobile. So let's get started. And guys, in this video I will also tell you how to join a custom room, like some of your friends have made a custom room, so you can join it. So I will tell you how to do that. So you can make a custom room in any type of playing mode like multiplayer, battle royale, etc. So the procedure of making a custom room is same. So like I am making a multiplayer room, a multiplayer custom room, so I have to go to multiplayer, then I have to go to these three lines you can see at the top right, and then you can see menu options here, and there is option of private, so click there. So this type of interface will come. So let me explain you what is here. So here, like normal multiplayer, 5 players each team, this is not 10v10. So here 5 people in one team, 5 people in another, and here 15 people can also spectate that match. So this is a good feature also. So in total 25 people can play. I mean 10 people can play and 15 people can spectate the match. So here either you can invite your friends from here, you can click on the plus sign, or you can see a room ID here on the top left. So here you can share it with your friends and they will type it in a space which I will tell you. So for example, your friend have made a custom room and he have given you this ID or any other ID, because every room has a different ID. So for example, someone has given you XYZ ID, so you can see a home and a search sign here, or a magnifying glass you can say. So you have to click on here, and then you either paste it the code which your friend gave, or you can simply write it. So when you will write it, so I am writing for just randomly, and then when you will click on search, so this room would not be available as I have written randomly. So here you can see that no result found, but when you will write the correct ID, then when you will click search, then you will get an option to enter the room, and if there is error comes that the room is full, then that means that the room is full and you cannot join it. So this is another way. And guys, this was for multiplayer. Now I will tell you for battle royale. So the procedure is same, I am just telling you. So you have to click on battle royale, then the same procedure, the 3 dots here, the 3 lines, sorry, then private. See here 25 teams can come, that means 100 teams, and here 3 people can spectate. So I have gone back by mistake. Yes, so here many people can play, I mean 100 people can play and 3 people can spectate also. So if you have a lot of friends or you do live stream with your audience and you want to play with them, so you can give, so on your screen the code will flash, you can see the top left. So you can give them the code, then they can enter the room and you can play with your subscribers. Or if a YouTuber or any of one of your friend have given ID, the room ID, so the procedure is same. You can just click on this icon and then you can just enter the code and enter the room. So it's very easy, and if you want to compete with your friends, you can compete with them in the multiplayer room. Okay, so let me enter. Yes, so multiplayer room, then you can make a private room, and the procedure will be the same. You can also choose the map, you can also choose the game mode, like here you can choose any one of them. You can choose hardpoint, domination, frontline, and you can even choose the map also. So you can challenge your friends with this and it's very useful also. I think it's useful for me too. So I think that this video was very helpful. So I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching.